So you bought a gun and you want to know how to carry it comfortably. In this video, I'm going to give you the 3 simple steps to help you comfortably carry every day. What is up, guys? If you are new here, my name is Will Workman and I created this channel to make your concealed carry life better. First, like and subscribe if you want more free concealed carry education. Before we get to these 3 steps, if you want some more in-depth help with how to conceal your gun well, I want to give you something that's really going to help you, and that is my free guide to concealment. It's basically everything I wish I knew when I first started concealed carrying. The link is in the description below, so go check that out. Starting your concealed carry journey can be more than just confusing. It can be absolutely overwhelming. There's an endless supply of tactical talking heads and cargo pants that can be hard to relate to. So knowing what you need to conceal in comfort in normal people clothes is crucial. First, you need a good gun. I know you wouldn't be here watching this if you didn't already know that, but stick with me. It wouldn't be fair for me not to make this the first and most important thing. Now, what do I mean by a good gun? You need a gun that performs well and that you can shoot well. If you have one that you don't like shooting or it isn't a good fit for you, sell it and get one that's right for you. The most common mistake that I see regarding this is buying the tiniest little pocket gun that you can find. Trust me, it doesn't have to be tiny to conceal well. You're carrying a gun to defend your life, so don't try to make it work if you don't like shooting it. Get something that you like. Now, I'm not gonna bash any brands, but if you buy a gun for less than 250 bucks, you probably won't even be able to find a quality holster company that makes a holster to fit it. So buy a quality gun that you can shoot well. All right, number 2 is a quality holster. You're gonna have to spend some money on a holster. I know, times are tough, groceries aren't cheap, and your wife is already mad that you spent so much on a gun. No? Just me? All right, cool. Anyway, you've got to pay for quality. So pick 2 of the following: safe, fast, or cheap. You can't pick 3. Think about it. My picks are always gonna be safe and fast. To get a safe and fast holster, you're gonna need to spend somewhere between 65 and 300 bucks depending on your preferences. I know, half of you left this video, but trust me, it's worth it. We pay a ton of money for our mattresses, our shoes, our couches. Why? Why not just buy the cheapest piece of crap that you can find? Because comfort is worth paying for, especially when it's something that you use every day. And when it comes to carrying a gun, so much of your comfort or misery comes from your holster. Trust me, if you don't invest in a quality holster from the start, you'll end up with a drawer full of cheap, uncomfortable holsters that you never use. Before we get to the 3rd step, hit that subscribe button and like this video so that you don't miss next week's video, because it's gonna be awesome. All right, the 3rd thing that you need is a stiff and sturdy gun belt. Even the absolute best holster will be uncomfortable without a good gun belt. The good news is that you can buy a decent gun belt for around 50 bucks. Just make sure that it's stiff and sturdy nylon. This not only helps with comfort, but it smooths out the shape of your holster and allows for a little bit better concealment. My only exception to this is the PHLster Enigma. The Enigma system includes a belt with the holster system. I carry the Enigma every day and I recommend it highly, so I've linked their website in the description. If you try to make cheap products work for you, you're gonna find that you stop carrying altogether because you cannot conceal in comfort. So these essential tools will get you started on your journey to better protect yourself and your family. Guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe below, and I'll see you next time. If you need help choosing the right holster, then click this video. And if you're interested in building your own trauma kit, then click this video. Whoa, oh, that's pretty cool.